Good morning students. This is our science class. In our previous class we have discussed about the circulatory system, in which we have discussed about the blood vessels in detail, and today we will discuss about the structure and functioning of heart. You know that heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood. Means heart pump blood to various part of the body, and this blood carries various substances along with it and transport it to different part of the body. Where it is located? It is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left, and its size is equal to the size of your fist, as it is your fist, and your heart size is equal to the size of your fist. Now we discuss in detail structure of the heart. Heart has four chambers. What are those four chambers? Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. These are called the four chambers of the heart, and these chambers are separated from each other through a partition. This is known as septum. It prevents the mixing of the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, means pure and impure blood. This is the vein, vena cava, which carry impure blood. This is the largest artery, that is aorta. It distributes the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. This is pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. I have already told you pulmonary artery carry which type of blood? Yes, impure blood, deoxygenated blood. And pulmonary vein, it carries the oxygenated blood. Now let us understand the working of the heart with the help of the flow chart. How our heart works. First of all, the vein vena cava. It carries impure blood from the body and bring it to the right auricle, which is the one of the chamber of the heart. When the right auricle contracts, then blood goes to the right ventricle. From the diagram also you can see here right auricle, contraction takes place, here walls are there, and then blood reaches to the right ventricle. Now this is the impure blood. From right ventricle, this impure blood is carries through the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery takes it to the lungs. Inside the lungs, purification of blood takes place. From the lungs, pulmonary vein carry the blood. Pulmonary vein carry oxygenated or pure blood and bring it to the left auricle. And from the left auricle, when contraction takes place between two, it goes to the left ventricle. From here, aorta, which is the largest artery, it will carry the pure blood to the all part of the body. Now let us make it more clear with the help of diagram. As I told you till here, impure blood reaches here. Now from here it is carried to the lungs. With the help of which thing it carries to the lung? With the help of this pulmonary artery. Okay, lungs purification takes place, then it comes here in the left atrium, then left ventricle, and from here aorta distributed to all part of the body. I hope you understood about the working and structure of the heart. Now the next concept is, what is heartbeat? As you know that the wall or chambers of the heart are made up of muscles, and these muscles contract and relax rhythmically, means alternatively, one time contract and one time relax. And this rhythmic contraction followed by the relaxation, that makes a heartbeat. And how it is measured? It is measured by the doctor with the help of stethoscope. It is a device which helps to amplify the sound of the heart. Most of you have seen this stethoscope. Doctor put it in the ear and another piece on your chest, and then he measures the heartbeat. When we run, when we do any exercise, that time our heartbeat becomes faster. I hope you understood about this. Today you have to read the above topic from the book and learn the question answers of chapter 11. Thank you. Have a nice day.